So dealing with a sine function, we're always going to start these functions by graphing the base function. That would be y equals sine x. Now the way that I've given you this graph, it's a little bit difficult to go to 1 as a height on the y-axis, so I'm going to do 2 ticks as 1. Remembering the 5 important points, 0, 0, 91, 180, 0, 270, negative 1, and 360, 0. Connecting those with a smooth curve. That would be the base function of y equals sine x. What we're looking for in A is 3 different graphs. So in light blue here, we'll do y equals 3 sine x. That 3 is a vertical stretch, so all of our vertical points need to get multiplied by 3. First point at 0, 0 is going to stay. Second point at 91, that point at 1 gets stretched up to 3. Next point stays the same because 0 times 3 is still 0. 270, negative 1, that negative 1 gets stretched out to negative 3. And 360, 0 again stays. Connecting those with a smooth curve. I'll just fix that up a little bit. Would look like that. I'm going to go ahead and answer part B for this one. The amplitude of this function in light blue, the amplitude is 3 because that's what A is. Next one we'll do in red, y equals 0.5 sine x. So again, we'll go from the original, the dark blue one. All of our vertical points get multiplied by 0.5. So the points that are at 0 will stay. But a point that was at 1 multiplied by 0.5 puts it at 0.5. Point at 0 stays. Point at 270, negative 1 becomes 270, negative 0.5. 360, 0 will stay. And connect them again. This function in red would have an amplitude of 0.5. Last function we'll do in yellow, y equals negative 2 sine x. Again, we'll go from the blue function. All of our points vertically get multiplied by negative 2. So that first point stays. Next point was at 1. Gets multiplied by negative 2, goes to negative 2. Point at 0 stays. Point at 270, negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 2 is 2. Go there. And last point stays. Connect them. And because A is a negative, we not only get the stretch, we also get a flip. Now the amplitude of this function is not actually negative 2. Amplitude is always defined as a positive, so we'll call the amplitude positive 2. The negative just implies that there's a flip, doesn't have anything to do with the amplitude.